In this video, you will learn how to create a time record in Access Pro to better track your worked hours.
The first thing we're going to do is go to the main page where the dashboard is displayed. In the top right corner, you'll find two buttons, Add Time Record and Add Client. Click on Add Time Record.
In this section, fill in the service name, job description, date, time, and duration. Then define whether the record is recurring, its status, the pricing type, and the corresponding rate. All records are automatically reflected in the calendar, allowing you to keep better control of your time. Done! Now you know how to create time records in Access Pro and keep full control of your worked hours.